A child walks due east on the deck of a ship at 1 mile per hour. The ship is moving north at a speed of 19 miles per hour. Find the speed and direction of the child relative to the surface of the water. The speed is something mile per hour we need to find. The angle of the direction from the north is something radians. Okay, now, so the child walked due east on the decks of the ship. Okay, so say that the child walks due east. So let's say here the child walked due east 1 mile per hour, and the child walk, and the ship is moving north 19 miles per hour. So north. So the ship is moving north 19 miles per hour. The ship is moving. So then we have the direction of the child moving relative to the surface of the water is this vector. So it's the sum of the direction of the vectors, direction due east and direction due north, which is the red vector. Okay, now we need to compute, say, let's say vector v. Compute the speed, which is the length of the vector, and compute the angle, which is the direction. So the angle of from the north, so theta. So we compute the length of v and compute the angle theta, radians. Okay, so let's do that. So the horizontal vectors is, say we are in, say, OX, OXY, OXY plane. Let's say OX here and Y there. This vector, say vector v, is the sum of two vectors. The first vector, let me call it A. The second one, call it B. Maybe make it longer for here's Y, here's X. And vector A, this vector, vector B, and this vector. V is the sum of vector A plus vector B. Vector A is vector 0, 1, 0. As this is the speed, in the x-axis is of length 1, right? The speed is 1 mile per hour. Vector B is a vector 0, 19, because it's go north 0, 19 mile per hour. Vector V is the sum A plus B. V equal to A plus B, which is 1, 0 plus 0, 19, which is 1, 19. So we need to compute the speed, which is the length of vector V, which is the square root of 1 square, 19 square, which is 362 miles per hour. So now we get the speed done. Now we compute the angle theta. The angle theta here for this triangle. So we have the right triangle. Let me draw it here. This side, let me call it, say, O is this one, O, M, N. O, N is square root 362, which is the length of O, N. This length is 19, and we need to find this angle theta. Okay. So theta, cosine theta, this right triangle is OM divided by ON. OM is 19 divided by 362. Theta equal to arc cosine 19 362. This is the angle theta we need to find. Yeah, so second part will be done.